Hey everyone, it's Nermeet. Welcome back to my channel. This is the Red Luna Journal. Thanks for joining me today. So today I'm gonna do a little video for you guys. It's gonna be how I style my bangs. So I do have bangs. I got them a couple of weeks ago. I've had them before about a year ago, and I just wanted to try them out again. They're a lot more wispier and natural this time. I do have a vlog up of getting my bangs cut, so if you guys want to go ahead and watch that video, just make sure to hit the subscribe button to my channel so that you can watch all my other videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just at Red Luna Journal. And let's start with this video. Obviously it doesn't look like I have bangs right now. If I turn to the side you can kind of see them, but they blend pretty well to my natural hair, so I just had a video interview, so that's why I kind of put it on the side so I look more neat and composed. So recently I purchased this little baby straightener. It's adorable. Literally, like, look at it compared to my head, I guess. It's like the size of my head. So it's so cute. It's so little. It's from the brand MHU or Moo. And this video can also be for you people who, you know, have a lot of flyaways and stuff, because I have that a lot at the top of my head. So you guys don't necessarily have to have bangs to, you know, follow along with this video. If you have flyaways and strays and whatever, it's just kind of like the routine I do to tame all of that like front hair that's like always like in your face and sticking out and whatever. So the second product I always use when styling my hair is a heat protectant. So this is the brand I use. It's Tresemme, and it's a platinum strength one. I used to get the older one. I think it was like a red with like a black cap. I don't remember. I think it was just their original like keratin hair protectant or something like that, but they have this one nowadays, platinum strength, so I get this one because it's supposed to be stronger, so it's the one I use. And then I always have a round brush with me for my bangs, but I honestly don't actually use it like in that way how it's supposed to be used. I just like comb it down, so I guess just any kind of brush or comb will do. Let's begin. So the first thing I kind of do is from the center start kind of brushing my bangs down, and I hold back my hair because sometimes those like long pieces of like my baby hair that aren't my bangs will come in the middle, and then it's like I have a long ass piece of hair like down my eye. So I make sure not to get my other hair because it's really annoying, and honestly it's just a pain in the ass. So this is kind of what I do. I brush them down, and they look pretty good right now because I think I styled them yesterday as well when I went to school, so they're not like sticking out or looking horrible or anything like that, but I just like to kind of bring them to the front so I know what I'm working with. One thing that does happen to me, I don't know if this happens to you guys if you guys have bangs or not, but I always get this freaking gap in the middle. Like, it looks disgusting. It's like, it just looks like I'm a 4-year-old boy. And then I'll take my spray and spray it on my hand a little bit and just kind of rub it. I'll grab the baby iron and I'll just put it like this and kind of curve it out like that. And that's how that looks. Perfect. So let's do the other parts. And then so after I style it, I usually try to mess around a little bit. I like it to look more messy and natural and a little bit more tousled, so I kind of just mess around with them until the placement is like where I like. So that looks good to me. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos, just comment them down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!